dear children, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to discuss exercise 8.4. First question, we need to express sin A, sec A, tan A in terms of cot A. We need to express sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. So the first one, sin A. That sin A we can write it as 1 by cosec A. Okay, cosec is the reciprocal of sine, then sine is also the reciprocal of cosec, and this we can write it as 1 by square root of cosec square A. 1 by square root of cosec square A. Square and square root get cancelled and we will have this cosec A itself, and this is equal to, we have one identity which is in terms of cosec and cot, that is cot square A plus 1 is equal to cosec square A. Cot square A plus 1 equal to cosec square A. That is our third identity. So I am going to replace this cosec square A by that identity. So 1 by square root of cot square A plus 1. 1 by square root of cot square A plus 1. So sin A in terms of cot A is 1 by square root of cot square A plus 1. Now sec A that we can write it as square root of sec square A. Okay, here also this square and square root get cancelled, and this we can write it as, we have one identity, that is 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. So I am going to replace this sec square A by that identity, that is 1 plus tan square A. Sec square A, just replace it by 1 plus tan square A. And we know that the tan, that is the reciprocal of cot. Okay, tan, that is the reciprocal of cot. So I am going to replace this tan by 1 by cot. Then we will have 1 by cot square A, because here we have tan square A. And this is equal to square root of, just take the LCM, then cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square A. Divided by cot square A. And this we can write it as square root of cot square A plus 1 divided by the cot square, and the square root get cancelled, and that is become cot A. So the sec A is square root of cot square A plus 1 divided by cot A. And tan A already we got, that is 1 by cot A. So sin A in terms of cot A is 1 by square root of cot square A plus 1. Sec A in terms of cot A is square root of cot square A plus 1 divided by cot A. And tan A in terms of cot A is 1 by cot A. Now in second question, we need to express all 5 trigonometric ratios in terms of sec A. We need to express all 5 trigonometric ratios in terms of sec A. We know that this cos A equal to 1 by sec A. Cos A equal to 1 by sec A. Now we have one identity, that is sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. From this we will get sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. And we got this cos A is 1 by sec A. Then this cos square A we can write it as 1 by sec square A. Now just take the LCM, then we will have sec square A minus 1 divided by sec square A. This is our sin square A. Then sin A is equal to square root of sec square A minus 1 divided by sec square A. This we can write as sec square A minus 1 divided by sec A, because in denominator we have square and square root. So this we can write it as square root of sec square A minus 1 divided by sec A. So sin A in terms of sec A is square root of sec square A minus 1 divided by sec A. Now we know that the cosec A is 1 by sin A. Cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. Sin A we got, that is 1 divided by square root of sec square A minus 1 divided by sec A. And this is sec A divided by square root of sec square A minus 1. Sec A divided by square root of sec square A minus 1. So we got cosec A. Now the identity in terms of sec and tan, that is 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Then tan square A is equal to sec square A minus 1. Then tan A is equal to square root of sec square A minus 1. And cot A, that is 1 by tan A, and this is equal to 1 by square root of sec square A minus 1. So cot A is equal to 1 by square root of sec square A minus 1. Now fourth question, choose the correct option, justify your choice. Choose the correct option, justify your choice. That is our question. So the first sub question, 9 sec square A fourth one, first sub question, 9 sec square A minus 9 tan square A. 9 sec square A minus 9 tan square A equal to, we need to choose the correct option. So 9 sec square A minus 9 tan square A, thus we can write it as 9 of sec square A minus tan square A. 9 of sec square A minus tan square A. And we have the identity 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. And from this identity, just take this tan square A into RHS, then we will get 1 is equal to sec square A minus tan square A. 1 is equal to sec square A minus tan square A. Now we have sec square A minus tan square A, that we can replace by 1. So this is 9 into 1 is equal to 9. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. That is option B. Now second sub question. Second one is 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Okay, here we are going to write all these trigonometric ratios in terms of sine and cos first. That is, this is equal to 1 plus tan, we can write it as sine theta by cos theta, plus sec is 1 by cos theta into 1 plus cot is cos theta by sine theta minus 1 by sine theta. Okay, and now just take LCM in the first term, and in second term and third term we have cos theta in denominator. So we will make the denominator cos theta. Then the first term become cos theta, the second term sine theta plus 1. Now take LCM in the second term. We need to make the denominator, that is sine theta. So sine theta, the first term we need to multiply it by sine theta. So sine theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay. Now this we can write it as cos theta plus sine theta, okay, plus 1. This is our first term, into the second term, just rearrange the term, then cos theta plus sine theta minus 1 all divided by cos theta into sine theta, all divided by cos theta into sine theta. Now just look at the numerator. Okay, I just grouped these two terms and plus 1, and here I made one rearrangement, that is cos theta I took first, then cos theta plus sin theta, just group that two terms, and we will have minus 1. Okay, now just look at the numerator. We can see that this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Okay, this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Here the value of a is cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, cos theta plus sin theta, that is the value of a. Then this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. And what is this a plus b into a minus b? We know that this a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So this we can write it as cos theta plus sin theta all square minus 1 square divided by cos theta into sin theta. Okay, numerator is of the form, just take it as a, then a plus b into a minus b form. Okay, that we can write as cos theta plus sin theta all square minus 1 square divided by cos theta into sin theta. And this is equal to, just expand it by using a plus b all square, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1. Okay, thus 1 square become minus 1 divided by cos theta sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta. And the first trigonometric identity, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. That is our first trigonometric identity. So here these two terms become 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is become 1. So 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 divided by cos theta sin theta. 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 divided by cos theta sin theta. Numerator we have plus 1 and minus 1, that get cancelled, and we will have 2 cos theta sin theta divided by cos theta sin theta. These two get cancelled and we will get 2. Okay, that 2 is option number C. Now third one, third sub question. Sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. Sec plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. The sec I am going to write it as 1 by cos A, and tan A is sin A by cos A into 1 minus sin A. Okay, and here denominator is same, so we can write it as 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A divided by cos A. Okay, here we have the multiplication. So 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A divided by cos A. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Okay, a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So numerator we can write it as 1 square minus sin square a divided by cos A. That is 1 minus sin square a divided by cos A. 1 minus sin square a divided by cos A. And the trigonometric identity, that is cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. This is our trigonometric identity. Just take the sin square a into RHS, then we will have cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. Cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. So this 1 minus sin square a, I can replace it by cos square a. So cos square a divided by cos A. 1 cos A get cancelled and we will get cos A. Okay. That is option number D. Fourth sub question. Fourth one. 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. That is 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus, we know that the cot is 1 by tan. Okay, cot A, that is 1 by tan A. So the cot square A, we can write it as 1 by tan square A. And this is equal to 1 plus tan square A divided by, just take LCM in denominator, that is tan square A plus 1 divided by tan square A we will get, and this is equal to 1 plus tan square A into tan square A. Just take the reciprocal of your denominator. This is your denominator, and just take the reciprocal. Tan square A, this we can write it as 1 plus tan square A. Tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. These two get cancelled and we will get tan square A. So 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equal to tan square A. That is option D.